Well, good afternoon and welcome to Franklin Pierce University's groundbreaking ceremony. We're very excited to be able to announce today the breaking of ground for the new facility that we have, our Health Sciences and Athletic Training Center. For more than a year we have been working on this facility, not just as a bricks and mortar project, but more of a project for us to enhance our academic offerings at the university. More and more we're having students come to us expressing an interest in health sciences programs, academic programs that will lead to careers in the health professions. We've realized during that period of data collection that we needed additional facilities to strengthen the undergraduate sciences so that we can have a stronger admission policy to not only our own academic graduate programs in the health professions, but at other institutions as well. One of the most exciting elements of this project for us has been to align our undergraduate sciences program with our graduate sciences program, a pathway, if you will, that will lead undergraduate students directly into graduate study and into health professions fields. In addition to that, the facility will house, in addition to the science facilities that it will also house an athletic training and rehabilitation center. Increasingly, we're getting students here who are very competitive in their sport, and we need to do a stronger job of preparing them for competition and helping them heal from injuries. And so currently we have about 450 square feet of athletic training space. This new facility will increase that space tenfold. So in many ways, we are a university on the move with new science programs, academic programs, and athletic programs. As I mentioned, more than a year ago, we began this process of exploration, of deciding what was in the best interest of our students, what resonated with the mission of the university, and how would we best proceed. One of the most important partners in that process has been Dr. Arthur Pappas, a former trustee at the university, the former orthopedic surgeon for the Boston Red Sox. And from the earliest days, Dr. Pappas has advised us on strengthening our academic program, designing space that would best serve not only students in their studies, but also in their athletic pursuits. I am delighted, pleased, and grateful today to acknowledge that Dr. Arthur Pappas and his wife Martha Pappas are the lead donors on this new facility. Dr. and Mrs. Pappas have been longtime friends of the university, and we're grateful for their presence, not only in the form of philanthropy here, but their presence with us physically and advising us, and I am personally grateful for that. Dr. Pappas, as I said, has been instrumental in advising us on the center, and for good reason. From 1971 to 2000, Dr. Pappas was professor and chairman of orthopedic surgery at the University of Massachusetts Medical Center. From 1977 to 2004, he was the medical director for the Boston Red Sox, our beloved Red Sox. In 2000, the Massachusetts Hospital School awarded Dr. Pappas the Edward Bradford Award for lifelong commitment to handicapped children. In May of 2007, Dr. Pappas was awarded the Honorary Doctor of Humane Letters from Franklin Pierce. In May of 2011, just recently, he was honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award from the Massachusetts Medical Society. And just this past June, he received an Honorary Doctor of Science from the University of Massachusetts. He is wise, he is generous, and we are grateful for all of those gifts that he brings to us. I am honored to introduce Dr. and Mrs. Pappas.